Good morning, Philippines. Review today for the exams tomorrow. This is my new diary. I need to ace the exam because I failed all of the performance. Oh my god, sorry. I failed all of the performance tasks and the student. We're going to find our research because I am the leader and nakasalalay dito kung exempted ba kami sa periodical. This is our documentation. Di ako nagdala ng payong, nag-overheat na ako, putang ina talaga. Tirik na tirik yung araw, putang ina, wala pa akong sunscreen, putang ina, magkaka-cancer ako talaga, tang ina. So, ako muna na pumumura, tang ina kasi ng araw eh. Tang ina! Mag-i-review na talaga ako. So, putang ina, at nag-print ko isang print up dun sa ano, putang ina. Filipino subject muna yung i-review ko kasi yun yung pinakamadali. Ayoko naman na yung pinamahirap kasi iiyak ako agad. Save the hardest for the last. And, wag ka mind Filipino notebook. Munang hindi nagpapasa ng notes kasi papasok ko to kay ma'am, nakakaya. Ito po ma'am yung cover ko, tapos ito yung next page, chapter 4 notes ko. Ito na lang po.
Ayun lang.
Did you see my sunflowers? This is UG the third. Shut up.